Anthropic just announced something that could genuinely change how you work as a developer. And if you contribute to open source, you're going to want to hear every single word of this video. We're talking about 6 full months of Claude Max 20x completely free. No credit card, no trial period, no catch hiding in the fine print. Just Anthropic handing over their most powerful plan to the people who keep the open source ecosystem alive. Now, before you think this is one of those deals that sounds amazing, but barely anyone actually qualifies for, stick around, because the eligibility is broader than you might expect. There are 2 different ways to qualify, and one of them is completely discretionary, meaning even if your numbers are not huge, you could still get in. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what you get, who qualifies, how to apply step by step, and every important term you need to know before you submit your application. I have read the full terms document, so you do not have to. If this video saves you time or lands you a free subscription, the least you can do is hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more developers who could benefit from exactly this kind of content. And if you're not subscribed yet, tap that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we cover AI tools, developer news, and opportunities like this one the moment they drop. All right, let's get into it. Anthropic is calling this the Claude for open source program, and the whole idea behind it is simple. Open source maintainers and contributors are the backbone of the software world, and Anthropic wants to say thank you in the most practical way possible by giving you the tool that could actually make your work faster and better. So here's what you get. 6 full months of Claude Max 20x, which is Anthropic's top tier plan, completely free for the entire benefit period. No charges, no billing surprises, nothing to pay up front. You get full access to the most powerful version of Claude from day 1 of activation. Now, if you're already paying for a Claude subscription, here's something worth knowing. Your existing billing does not just disappear, it actually pauses for the entire 6 months. So you're not losing anything you already had. Once the benefit period ends, your original subscription simply picks back up right where it left off at your existing plan and rate. And if you're currently on the free tier, the same logic applies. The max subscription gets applied to your account for 6 months, and when it is over, you go back to the free plan unless you decide to upgrade on your own terms. The program is capped at 10,000 approved recipients globally, and applications are being reviewed on a rolling basis right now. That means the sooner you apply, the better your chances before that cap is hit. The application window closes on June 30th, 2026, but realistically, you do not want to wait until the last minute on something like this. This is the section that most people are going to care about the most. So let us walk through it carefully, because there are 2 separate paths to qualifying, and you only need to meet one of them. The first path is called the maintainer track, and this is the more straightforward route. To qualify here, you need to be a primary maintainer or a core team member of at least one public repository hosted on GitHub. That repository needs to have either 5,000 or more GitHub stars or 1 million or more monthly downloads on NPM. You also need to have merge access to that repository, meaning write or admin level permissions. And finally, you need to have been actively involved in that repository within the 3 months leading up to your application. That means commits, pull request reviews, issue, triage, releases, any kind of real hands on contribution counts. Now, if you're looking at those numbers and thinking you are close, but not quite there, do not close the tab just yet, because the second path exists specifically for situations like yours. The second path is called the Ecosystem Impact Track, and this one is discretionary, meaning Anthropic reviews these applications individually and makes a judgment call. This track is designed for projects that do not necessarily have massive star counts, but quietly power a huge portion of the ecosystem. Think widely used infrastructure libraries, foundational developer tooling, or packages that thousands of other projects depend on without most people even realizing it. If your project fits that description, you can apply and write a short explanation of up to 500 words about what your project does and why it matters. Anthropic will look at things like how many downstream projects depend on you, how critical your project's function is, and what your actual role in maintaining it looks like. Beyond the 2 tracks, there are a few general requirements that everyone must meet regardless of which path they are applying through. You need to be an individual person, not a company or organization. You need to be at least 18 years old. You need to live in a country where Claude is available and not be subject to any United States sanctions. You need a GitHub account in good standing. And you cannot be an Anthropic employee, contractor, or an immediate family member of one. Here is something important that a lot of people are going to overlook. Meeting those thresholds does not automatically guarantee you a spot. Anthropic approves every single application in their sole discretion, and all decisions are completely final with no appeal process. So treat your application seriously, write it well, and be honest about your contributions. Which brings us to the next thing worth flagging right now. Anthropic explicitly calls out artificial metric inflation in their terms. If they find out that your GitHub stars were purchased, boosted through bot activity, or inflated through any kind of exchange scheme, your application gets rejected immediately or your subscription gets revoked after the fact. So make sure every number you are putting on that application is completely legitimate. All right, now let us get into the part you have actually been waiting for, because the application process is refreshingly simple and should take you no more than a few minutes to complete. Head over to the official application page. The link is sitting in the description and pinned in the comments below, so you do not have to go searching for it. Once you are there, you will find a straightforward form with just a handful of fields to fill out. You will start with your first and last name, then your email address. Now, this part is important. If you already have an existing Claude account, make sure you enter the exact email address tied to that account. This is how Anthropic will send you your activation link if you are approved. And it is also how they will connect the subscription to your existing account. Using a different email could create complications down the line, so double check that before you hit submit. Next, you will enter your GitHub handle, followed by the URL of the GitHub repository you are applying with. This should be the repo that best represents your qualifying work, whether that is your highest star project, your most actively maintained one, or the project you plan to highlight for the ecosystem impact track. There's also an open text field for any other information you want to share. If you're applying through the ecosystem impact track, this is your moment. Use this space to write your explanation of up to 500 words. Be specific about what your project does, who depends on it, how many downstream projects rely on it, and what your personal role in maintaining it looks like. Do not be vague here. Anthropic is making a judgment call on these applications, and the more clearly you can paint the picture of your project's real-world impact, the stronger your application is going to be. Even if you're applying through the maintainer track, do not leave this field blank. Use it to add any context that strengthens your case. Once you submit, applications are reviewed on a rolling basis. If you are approved, you will receive an email with a unique activation link, and you must activate that link before June 30th, 2026. After that date, unactivated links expire and the subscription is forfeited. So the moment that email lands in your inbox, treat it as a priority. Now, this is the section that most YouTube videos on this topic are going to skip over or gloss through in 30 seconds, and that would be doing you a real disservice. So let us go through every important term you need to understand before you apply, because some of these will genuinely surprise you. The first thing to get clear on is that this is a 6-month benefit period and nothing more. There is no auto renewal, no discounted rate waiting for you at the end, and no special transition offer. When those 6 months are up, the complimentary subscription simply expires. If you have an existing paid subscription that was paused, it resumes at your then current plan and rate. If you're on the free tier, you go back to the free tier. What you do after that is entirely up to you. The subscription is also strictly for your personal use only. You cannot share your login credentials with teammates, collaborators, or anyone else. You cannot sell it, trade it, transfer it, or hand it off to another person under any circumstances. It has no cash value and cannot be redeemed for anything outside of the Claude Max experience itself. Anthropic is very clear about this in their terms, and violations here are treated seriously. Now here is one that caught my attention when I was reading through the terms, and it is something you genuinely need to be aware of. If you are approved for the program, Anthropic has the right to publicly identify you as a recipient. That means your name, your GitHub username, and your associated open source project could be mentioned publicly by Anthropic. This is not something you opt into. It is a condition of accepting the subscription. What is optional is any additional co-marketing activity beyond that. Things like case studies, interviews, or being featured in a campaign. Those are entirely voluntary, and you can decline without any impact on your subscription. On the financial side, while the base Claude Max 20x subscription is completely free during the benefit period, you are still on the hook for any overages. If your usage goes beyond the standard limits of the plan, Anthropic will charge you at their standard overage pricing. So keep an eye on your usage, especially if you're planning to run heavy workloads through it. Anthropic also reserves the right to modify, suspend, or even terminate the entire program at any time. They can change the eligibility criteria, adjust the number of available subscriptions, shorten the application window, or discontinue the program altogether. If any of those changes negatively affect people who have already been approved, Anthropic has said they will make reasonable efforts to notify those recipients by email. But the terms are clear that failing to send that notification does not create any legal liability on their part. And finally, going back to something mentioned earlier because it really is worth repeating, do not attempt to game your GitHub metrics in any way before applying. Anthropic explicitly flags purchase stars, bot-driven activity, star-for-star exchange schemes, and any other form of artificial inflation as grounds for immediate disqualification or post-approval revocation. The program is built on trust, and Anthropic is not going to take kindly to anyone trying to work around that. If your project is genuinely good, let's speak for itself. Let us take a step back for a second, because beyond a free subscription, there is something bigger happening here that is worth talking about. Open source maintainers have historically been one of the most underappreciated groups in the entire software industry. These are the people who build and maintain the tools, libraries, and frameworks that power billions of dollars worth of commercial software, often doing it in their spare time, often without any financial compensation, and often without any recognition from the companies that profit most from their work. The burnout rate in open source is real. The sustainability problem is real. And for a long time, the industry has been very good at taking from that ecosystem without giving much back. So when a company like Anthropic steps up and says, we see you, we know what you ship, and we want to give you something genuinely useful in return, that actually means something. This is not a discount code or referral credit. This is their highest tier plan, worth real money, handed over for 6 full months with no strings attached beyond the basic terms we just walked through. And from a purely practical standpoint, think about what Claude Max 20x actually unlocks for the kind of work open source maintainers do every day. You're dealing with large code bases that span hundreds of files and thousands of lines. You are reviewing pull requests from contributors who write in different styles and at different skill levels. You are debugging issues that have been open for months because no one has had the time to dig into them properly. You are writing documentation, managing issues, drafting release notes, and doing all of this across multiple projects simultaneously. Having a tool with the context window, the speed, and the raw capability of Claude Max 20x in your corner for all of that is not a small thing. It is the kind of upgrade that can genuinely give you hours back every single week. There's also a signal here worth paying attention to. Anthropic building a dedicated program for open source contributors tells you something about how they view the relationship between AI companies and the developer community. The open source ecosystem has contributed enormously to the infrastructure that makes modern AI development possible, and acknowledging that with something more than a blog post is a meaningful step. Whether other AI companies follow with similar initiatives remains to be seen, but right now Anthropic is the one putting their money where their mouth is. And even if you apply and do not get in this time around, submitting an application costs you nothing but a few minutes. It signals demand. It gets your project in front of Anthropic's team, and it keeps you in the conversation for however this program evolves in the future. And that is everything you need to know about Anthropic's Claude for open source program. Let's do a quick recap before you go. Anthropic is giving away 6 full months of Claude Max 20x completely free to open source maintainers and contributors who qualify. There are 2 ways in. The maintainer track requires a public GitHub repository with 5,000 or more stars or 1 million or more monthly NPM downloads, merge access, and active contributions within the last 3 months. The ecosystem impact track is open to anyone maintaining something the ecosystem quietly depends on, even if the numbers are not quite there yet. You write a short explanation, Anthropic reviews it and makes a call. The application form takes just a few minutes to fill out. Your name, your email, your GitHub handle, your repository URL, and if you're going the ecosystem impact track route, a strong written case for why your project matters. The link to apply is sitting right in the description below and pinned in the comments. Do not wait on this. 10,000 spots sounds like a lot until it is not, and applications are being reviewed and approved on a rolling basis right now. If you found this video useful, please take 2 seconds and hit the like button before you leave. It genuinely makes a difference for this channel and helps more developers in the open source community find videos like this one. If you have not subscribed yet, now is a great time to do that because this is exactly the kind of content we cover here, real opportunities, AI tools, and developer news that actually matters. Drop your GitHub repository in the comments below. Whether you're applying, already submitted, or just got approved, I want to see what you're building. And if you know another open source maintainer who needs to hear about this, share this video with them right now. It could genuinely be one of the most valuable things you send them this year. Thank you for watching, good luck with your application, and I will see you in the next one.